8 best courses to learn how to make money online. Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Why the Fact, not coming to all of you with a brand new video. You're stuck at home. You're bored out of your mind. Nothing is keeping your attention anymore. You hate your routine, and you want a new perspective. You want to stir the pot in your brain a bit to ease your nerves. It's time to get creative. You look up how to make money online. You could always use extra money to pay off your debt, increase your savings, or invest more so after you clean yourself up and click through the internet. You find all of this amazing content and side hustle ideas to make more money in any economy. There are YouTube videos, informative ebooks, long-form blog content, and so much more. Even Pinterest has something reliable to find. But you find a gold mine of online courses that step by step what different skills you can invest in to make more money online with these handy courses we've listed. 1. Enchanted Marketing's 16-part snackable writing course from Enchanted Marketing. The award-winning brand behind copywriting mastermind Henneke Duestimate is this 16-part, 100% free writing course. This online course includes digestible, easy-to-understand writing tips in exchange for your email address, no questions asked or requirements. For the next 16 days, you get an email with different areas to focus on. As a writer, this online course is great for digital marketers who want to make more money online by investing more into their writing skills. But if you already have an interest in writing for the web, this course is a great place to get started. 2. Introduction to Computer Science and Programming Using Python. This comprehensive course from edX is ideal for you if you're planning to learn computer science and use Python 3.5 to solve real-world analytical problems. That is for the company you want to work for or the system that you want to build for your next big idea. Founded by MIT and Harvard, edX is a global nonprofit aiming to transform traditional education. You don't need to have a prior programming background to finish this course, but you may have to put more effort than those with a reasonable aptitude for mathematics and algebra. 3. A crash course in data science by Johns Hopkins University via Coursera. If technical work is more up your alley, we haven't forgotten about you. If you want a course that exercises your more computer-like mindset, learning about interesting subjects like data science can easily be your ticket to earning a living starting in the high 5 figures or more online. This online course by Johns Hopkins University through Coursera is a great place to start. A lot of people have actually taken these courses personally and highly recommend them to those itching to grow professionally and intellectually. Understanding and actively implementing data science projects is one of the most sought-after skills among project managers in the workplace today. A job in data science is also one of the highest paying in the tech field, especially where remote work or freelancing is concerned. This week-long course is specifically ideal for managers or leaders who want to join data science teams and manage data scientists. 4. Hubspot's email marketing course. HubSpot is arguably one of the most reliable and respected platforms on the planet where everyday people can easily and freely access digital marketing information through their HubSpot Academy. They offer tons of valuable courses that teach you concepts like inbound marketing, social media marketing, and content marketing. One of the best online courses HubSpot offers that will help you make money online is their email marketing course. This course helps you master the basic fundamentals of email marketing. It also helps you with recipient segmentation, subscriber management, and analyzing your email engagement rates. Another reason to take the HubSpot email marketing certification course to help you make more money. When you list your HubSpot certification on your resume, mention it in your cover letter, share the certification badge on your personal website, however you display yourself professionally. Potential employers will take you into consideration for a possible position more seriously. You can use your new HubSpot skills to negotiate your way to a better paying starting salary or charge a higher rate doing freelance work. 5. Crash course in infographics. With easily some of the most in-demand skills in the workplace in the 21st century include cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and data visualization. With the extra time you've got on your hands now, you can aim for a future-proof career by learning the ins and outs of infographic design through Easelois crash course in infographics. The end of the course will result you in being able to create an informative, engaging marketing infographic, all without design experience. With 15 lectures lasting for roughly an hour, this course is for anyone who needs to convey a story, idea, or concept in an easy-to-follow visual form. 6. Seth Godin's Freelancer course. You may have some more time getting to focus on the one thing you love the most, whether it's writing, graphic design, copywriting, or any other form of freelancing, you're now ready to take the plunge into freelancing full-time depending on your full-time job's non-compete clause. You may be able to pick up some relevant freelance work. Here, instructor Seth Godin teaches you everything you need to know about your side hustle, such as how to develop your brand and secure clients. This course will teach you everything you need to know about choosing your clients, how to be at the right place at the right time, and how to push yourself to produce truly remarkable work that will retain your client lists for a very long time. 7. Charles Ngos' official YouTube channel. Now, this informative YouTube is not your traditional online course, but Charles Ngos' comprehensive, motivational YouTube videos teach viewers fascinating new subjects like he's teaching a Harvard College class. But many of his online videos contain tutorials uncovering the secrets of affiliate marketing, debunking common myths about it, and how to make a realistic income from it. What topics do most of his videos cover? Ngos' videos can teach you everything you want to learn, like how the shady affiliate networks and traffic sources operate and work together, how to build a world-class network that contributes to your business goals, the ultimate spy tool for affiliate marketing that will give you a competitive advantage into top market trends, managing your affiliate finances to see where your budget dollars are going and what's coming in from where the biggest trends for affiliate marketing you should pay attention to, how to avoid top mistakes newbies make and the biggest lessons they've learned from them. 8. General transcription, theory and practice. Did you know that transcription can earn you up to $75,000 a year? Not too bad for a flexible career that lets you not only work from home but live your life on your terms. Transcription builds around your life, not the other way around. You can set your own hours and work as much or as little as you want. You can completely build your life. Janet Shaughnessy has been in the transcription industry for a number of years. She created the General Transcription, Theory and Practice course to teach her students how to make a full-time income transcribing audio files from home. This self-paced course makes it easy and stress-free when learning everything about transcription work. There's no rush to get your certificate. This makes it a very viable option if you're working full-time from home at the moment, or if you just want something to do while the kids are asleep for the night. And that is it, guys. This is the 8 best courses to learn how to make money online. Hope you all liked this video, and please don't forget to smash that like button. And you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so you will be updated on my next video upload. Mega love shout out to my premier team, Team Hainan and Team Warriors, and all its very active and supportive members. This is why the fact not see you all on my next video. Thank you for watching.